Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you that how to remove background noise using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end so you don't miss out any step. First of all, you have to import a video into your CapCut app or any app that you want to use to extract your audio from this video. I'm going to use CapCut for this purpose. Now I'm going to drag this video over here and then I'm going to separate the audio. I'm going to right click and then click extract audio. Now I have this audio extracted and now I'm just going to go to this export option and then unclick this video exporting. Make sure that you have unclicked this and click export audio and then click export. I'll be back after I export this to my system. Now you can see that my audio has been exported. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to go to this Adobe podcast. I'm going to put the link for this in my description box. You can access it from there. After that, you have to go to this tools option and click enhance speech. You have to log in into this first. For that, I've used temp mail. You can use your personal mail if you want. It's your personal choice. Now I have to drop my file to enhance. I have to choose the file that I want. I will be back once I choose it. And now you can see that I have dropped my audio over here and it is enhancing my video. It will take some time. Here you can see that it says that some files can take up to 10 minutes to enhance. So once we are done with this, I will come back. You have to be patient with this step. Once this is done, I'll come back. Now here you can see that my audio has been enhanced. Now I have to download this. After I download it, I'll come back. Now you can see that my audio has been downloaded. I'm simply going to go back to CapCut and now I'm going to just delete this audio and I'm going to put the new audio that I just enhanced. For that I'm going to media and then I'm going to import my audio into CapCut. Now you can see that I have imported the enhanced audio and I'm going to drag it and place it over here beneath my video and then I'm just going to export this video. Here you can choose the video exporting option now and then you have to click export and your video will be noise free. This is a simple process that you can follow to remove background noise from your video. I hope you liked this process and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.